Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about this video because y'all gonna see why I'm super excited about the video. So before I got pregnant, I kind of started getting on this whole little workout kick. I would always say I'm fat, even though I know I wasn't fat. Like, clearly I'm not fat, but I just had a little belly and I didn't like it. So I started working out. My job does workout classes throughout lunchtime. Started doing it, everything was great. It was like as soon as I found out I was pregnant, the exhaustion just hit me like a ton of bricks. So that first trimester, I didn't do any working out. I think Bob would make me like go walk around the block or something like that, but that was like the extent of my workouts. Then second trimester rolls around. I'm feeling better. I'm telling myself I'm gonna start working out again. Of course, that just doesn't happen. So fast forward to present day. Obviously, I'm like, okay, I'm in a much better place to go ahead and start getting serious about working out and stuff. Still don't actually start doing it, but all of a sudden I started seeing all these videos on my YouTube homepage about this Chloe Ting 2-week shred, and I'm just like, first of all, who the heck is Chloe Ting? Second of all, these people, like, they have realistic looking results. So I tell myself I'm gonna go ahead and try this challenge, and honestly I don't know what I was thinking going from somebody who didn't work out in almost 6 months to trying to just jump into this challenge, but you know, here we are, no biggie. But yeah, if you guys are interested in my thoughts on this challenge, my before and after results, then just keep on watching. Of course, we have to start with before and afters. I personally was not interested in my weight. I just want to look the way I want to look. As you can see, it is not perfect, but that's what we're working on. All right, so we get day one started. Everything is going well. I'm like, I can do this, I can do this. However, I made one big mistake. I did the warm up and the cool down, which added what felt like a year to my workout. That being said, this was the first and last day that I did the warm up and the cool down. That warm up felt like a workout. I can definitely tell how out of shape and like how weak I was during this first day of workouts, because I literally stopped 100 times, had to keep drinking water. I felt like I was about to die. Finished day one. I feel like that took 2 hours. I hope it gets easier from here. Ooh, Chile. As I started like just staying consistent, even if I didn't like her, even if I felt like, oh my gosh, I'm about to die, I just kept at it. And honestly, by like day 3, day 4, I wouldn't say I was flying through the thing, but I was definitely able to do a lot more than I was able to do on day 1. I felt like I had better form. I felt like I was stronger, like I wasn't struggling as much with certain exercises. I was enjoying myself. I really liked the workouts because they were similar enough for you to feel like you kind of knew what was coming, but they were different enough for you to not get bored. You're gonna start out with a full body workout routine, and you're gonna also have some sort of ab workout routine like as a part of your day, and then she switches it up with either an upper body and core workout or a legs and glutes workout. So a part of me skipping days has to do with that. Obviously, I didn't want it to get redundant, but also this workout has rest days already built into it, which I thought was super cool. By the time the first week was done, even though I felt myself getting stronger, I really didn't feel like I saw much of a difference. So of course I took before pictures, and I just decided to take more pictures and see like what I was looking like after 1 week. Y'all, shook. 1 week, and I did not change my diet at all. I forgot to mention that. Throughout this 2-week challenge, I did not change my diet. I had Wingstop, we had pastas, like I was eating the way I would normally eat on a regular day. I will say that I don't eat as much, even though I was eating that stuff. I only eat like twice a day now. I just eat breakfast and then I eat dinner. That's because I usually have like breakfast around lunchtime kinda, and then I won't get hungry again until dinner. So anyways, fast forward to week 2. I definitely was more motivated after seeing those results. As you guys can see, I don't have an exercise mat right now. Make sure you have one. Doing planks and stuff on a carpet, y'all, it's not good for your elbows. And my skin is super sensitive, so I definitely had rug burn all over my elbows, which was not cute. I will also say that I did not get sore at all doing this workout, which I also thought was weird because usually when I work out, especially if I haven't done it in a while, I do like feel sore. Obviously my muscles are sore, but I did not get sore at all with this workout. I sweated a bunch. Like I felt like I jumped in the pool every day I did this workout, but I was not sore. All right, y'all, I finally made it to day 14, and honestly, I just do not have the motivation to finish this thing. All right, let's do it. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but this day was just a complete struggle. Like, motivation gone. I am not even about to lie to y'all. I did not finish out strong. Of today's 4 workouts, I did half of the first one, none of the second one, about 3/4 of the third one, and none of the last one. So day 14 complete. But look at these results, y'all. Like, I cannot believe it. I seriously can't believe it. It feels like this is not real. As you guys can see, Bob loved the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and of course I will catch y'all in my next one.